How to use a GameStop gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can use your GameStop gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use your GameStop gift card online, all you have to do is just open the website GameStop.com and then sign into your GameStop account. Once you sign into GameStop.com and sign into the account, you want to add the products or the games that you want to buy to your cart, right? So in my case, I've already added a product to my cart, so I'm going to just tap the cart icon from the top right hand side and I'm going to proceed to the checkout page. So over here you'll find checkout button. I'll just tap on the checkout button. After you enter the checkout, if it is a physical product, then you might most likely want to enter your delivery details, or else you'll be taken to the payment page where you can choose to enter your credit card. But to use our gift card, right over here you can see a button that says add a gift card or trade in credit. So if you have a gift card, all you have to do is just tap on it, and you simply want to make sure to enter the gift card number and the pin, then tap on apply button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it is going to be successfully used to purchase the product that you're trying to buy over here. That's it on how you can use a GameStop gift card online. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.